Hello, today I would like to present you my recent purchase from Parkside, and it is insulated electric screwdriver. And this screwdriver I'm planning to be using with my electrical bag. And as you can see, I've got a lot of screwdriver that are insulated. This is how it presents, but I often got problem to fit it. As you can see, the shaft is getting wider and wider, and that insulation sometimes prevent you from accessing it. Let me find a good example, and here you can see that I have to stripe down it because I was unable to reach. So those are issue with this. Please do keep in mind that this device I'm planning to be using with my electrical bag, and that bag is only for electric job, and most of those tools are rated up to 1000 volt. And this device is designed to replace that, but this unit cannot be used in anything that is electricity related, because we've got that metal shaft, and even we've got those contacts that are linked to the battery. So if we poke around somewhere, it will go through the shaft, through the motor, and expose us. So this is absolutely not the tool that you would like to poke into a real energized circuit, but that one should give us much better safety. So first of all, this is how it presents. Here you can take a look. We've got our direction, and we've got the power battery indicator. As you can see, the battery is non-removable, so you cannot swap it out. But on good side, it's being recharged via USB-C, and we've got that cable included. So here we've got a regular USB-C. Here we've got a USB-A, I believe. And that cute 5 volt, 1.7 amp power supply. That can be handy. In front, it's got those two beautiful LED lights that are being activated as soon as you press the button. And as you can see, they are staying on for a moment. They are very close and they are not casting shadow. So it is a pretty decent addition. I would say it can become handy. And this is the overall look. Here we've got our beads that you can replace. And what is quite interesting, this is not your regular bead. Here is a regular bead, and here is the one from Parkside. And as you can see, they've got a different shape. And there is no way of inserting the regular bead here because it's sliding, it's too small. And that one, of course, will not fit a regular screwdriver because it's too big, and also do not have those cutouts, as you can see. So maybe it's to not mix it up. They are rated up to 1000 volt. And to be honest, I do not see a reason to not believe in that, because looks like that part is made of nylon and only the beginning is metal. So I'm pretty sure if I touch it with a multimeter, we would not get any connection. So that amount of space, a gap, there is absolutely no way that 1000 volt will jump. It must be a couple thousand. It go really nice, just like that. I would say it's got little bit movement here. You can see that, and you might be annoyed with that. But most likely it will have absolutely no impact in your user experience. So this is what we actually get. We've got 2 flathead and 4 Phillips screwdrivers, and they will match most of your work. And let's take a look. Here I've got a regular DIN rail RCD. So let's take a look which is going to be perfect fit. That one looks great. We do not have ability to set any torque. Most likely in the user manual we've got it. And as you can see, it goes really nice. And it's quite interesting because it looks like it's got some sort of torque set by the motor, because there is a really interesting movement, like it's making stop. Just take a look at my hand, like it's trying and cutting. Let's try undo those two screws. Nice and quick. That presents really nice. And what's great about it, if you take a look at those shafts, they are pretty narrow and they do not change the width. So if the screw is going to be hidden deep inside, for compare, here are my regular screwdrivers, and they've got this insulation on that metal shaft. And if you take a look, it's getting wider and wider, and you've got absolutely no way to slide it in. And that's the reason why insulation here was cut down to just fit it through the hole, because this part is much more narrow than that one. Here we've got absolutely no problem, the full width, the same dimensions. We are going to be doing tiny experiment. I would like to undo that screw. I would like to put it back. And now undo it with a regular screwdriver. So the force, I would say it's pretty okay. I can live with that. That was extremely quick look at our electrical screwdriver from Parkside. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time and bye bye.